Why does my body
hate me?
Alarm is set for 7. I open my eyes. It is 6:53. 7 minutes. That's what was taken from me. 7 irreplaceable minutes. Do I go back to sleep? In 7 minutes? That's not sleep, that's a loading screen. Do I just get up? It's 6:53. I am not a person who gets up at 6:53. So I lie there, eyes open, staring at the ceiling, waiting. And the second I get comfortable and start drifting, the alarm goes off. Of course. Now I'm more tired than when I woke up at 6:53. I hit snooze. 9 minutes. My body apparently needed 9 minutes all along. Wake up at 7:09. Now I'm late. I was awake at 6:53. How am I